Okay, we're going to move further east now to Somalia. Somalia.
Excellencies, the Honorable Ministers, ladies and gentlemen. I thank first for the organizers. I thank for the President of Senegal to make possible this conference. On behalf of Puntland State Government of Somalia, Puntland is the state government of Somalia. Our ministers, the Somali Foreign Minister is there. But we have to assure our commitment as a Puntland State Government of Somalia, our pledge of this partnership, 8%. And thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much indeed. Now, I have here Somalia, Somali Puntland. Did I hear you mention Puntland just then? Because Somali Puntland is also here. And now we have Somaliland. Do you have Somaliland as well? Yes, sir. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I come from Somaliland, a country which is just emerging from a post-conflict situation. The economy is devastated by civil wars and now by recurrent droughts. But we have a government committed to spending and investing in education. The government is pledging to spend 13% of this domestic budget on education every year for the coming 3 years. And the amount will rise to over 100 million during that 3-year period. Thank you very much for listening.
And now the Federal Republic of Somalia, with your commitment, please.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, on behalf of the Federal Republic of Somalia, which is recovering fragility, but also has its strong commitment to the education, the federal government of Somalia started its implementing the first national development plan for Somalia since 1986. The NDP covers same fiscal period of the current GPE, in order to alleviate the objectives of poverty alleviation, economic revival, and social transformation. A new partnership for Somalia was also drawn after the peaceful transition of power in February 2017. The partnership is also aligned with the NDP and outlined poverty areas that are critical for the development of the country. The government has shown its commitment to increasing its allocation to the education in 2018, and the first time included teacher salary in the current annual budget for 2018 for 30 years. This is the evidence that during the last couple of years, the education allocation by the federal government of Somalia slightly increased, but sensible growth. The trend shown also significant education allocation by the government between 2018 to 2020, which is very sensible, but slightly growth from 1.4% to 4.3%. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to the Federal Republic of Somalia.